So far, we have 45 Filipinos who became a world champion in boxing. A list that includes Manny Pacquiao, Nonito Donaire, Flash Elorde, Donnie Nietes, and the very first Pinoy and Asian to ever hold a title in boxing. And I'm talking about Pancho Villa. So, according to the list, as of Thursday, August 4, it still doesn't bear the name of Dave Apolinario. The simple reason because he's holding a minor world title. So nakalagay pa rin doon sa listahan ang most recent Filipino. Linawin po natin sa mga viewers natin, the most recent Filipino to win a world title ay si Mark Magsayo pa rin. Tapos ang nakalaban niya, ito nga si Gideon Buthelezi, is not even ranked or recognized as a contender in those four major boxing organizations. What makes it worse, Migs? Ito nga si Gideon Buthelezi was once recognized as a world champion by the IBO. So paano yon? So you get what I mean, Migs? Let facts speak for itself. So but to be clear, okay, we're not here to undermine the victory. The win over Gideon Buthelezi was not worthless at all. I truly believe that it's a step in the right direction if it intends to climb the ranks and face the best at 112 pounds. But to say that he is a world champion and he was the one who broke the championship drought of Filipino boxers in world title fights nagsimula yung yung losing skid na yan mula kay Jerwin Ancahas. It's a bit unfair to those who went through yung traditional or yung conventional process in order to win a world title or get a title shot. The best way to describe it, for the sake of analogy, para siguro parang may championship. Kunyari sa NBA, meron talagang NBA championship. Samantalang sa G League, meron tayong tinatawag na G League championship. So ganun yung level nung IBO. So yun yung pwede natin gawing example or analogy to really describe itong IBO titles. We consider tayo as a country, we're considered as one of the best nations to ever produce a collection of world-class boxers. And sa akin, in my opinion, maintaining that standard of determining a true world champion in the sport of boxing should be firmly be observed in the Philippines. At the moment, with or without the IBO title, I can honestly say that Dave Apolinario is one of the best flyweights in the world right now. Kasi he is ranked in 3 of the major sanctioning bodies right now. Sipin mo, number 10 in the IBF, number 15 in the WBO, tapos number 6 in the WBA. Kulang na lang niya dito yung WBC. So if he breaks into the WBC and let's say he defeats a solid contender at 112 pounds, he could also secure him as a spot doon sa tinatawag nating Ring Magazine flyweight rankings na top 10. Sa akin, he has to earn quality rounds first against higher rank flyweights or sabihin natin higher rank 112 pounders. At least to establish himself first as a contender.